Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am making cold coffee with cheesy mushroom sandwich. First we put some ice in a glass and then we add some milk. Separately we have a mixture of coffee with sugar. Mix it well until it dissolves. At last we add some dark chocolate for garnishing. So our cold coffee is ready. For sandwich, take a pan and put some butter in it. Now add some mushrooms. We just need to little saute the mushrooms with little bit of salt. Keep it aside. And now I will heat the breads a little. Put some butter on the breads. Now add the mushrooms. Spread mushrooms evenly. Time for my favorite part to add some cheese and little bit of oregano and black salt. Now put another bread on it and heat it well the sandwich from both the sides. Now take off the sandwich. Cut it into middle. So now cold coffee and sandwich ready to eat. आप मुझे कमेंट करके बता सकते हैं कि आपको ये वीडियो कैसा लगा एंड वी विल बैक सून विद अनदर वीडियो. टिल देन बाय बाय, टाटा.